Your computer just crashed, and you need to get your files and your programs reinstalled back onto your computer. Your files? No problem. You have a backup of those. Your programs, however, no clue where they are. It's going to be a more brilliant Tuesday by the second. My name is Dr. Phil. Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesdays. I remember the time when I bought my first copy of Microsoft Office. It was the Home and Student 2016 version. In fact, I think I was wearing this exact same bow tie when I purchased it. I remember it like it was yesterday. Now, how did it go again? Oh yes, I remember.
Thank you for buying this. Just make sure you keep this in a safe place, folder, something that you can refer back to it. Username and password are inside of it. That's how you'll reinstall it in case you need to rebuild your computer or anything like that. If you lose this, you're kind of out of hope.
Thank you very much. I will definitely do that. Okay, so I've just installed Microsoft Office on my computer, and it says it was installed successfully. And I also made sure that the product key associated with my Microsoft Office account and that was in this box was successfully activated. I think I'm good to go. Is there anything else I should do? What should I do with this box?
Just make sure you keep this in a safe place, folder, something that you can refer back to it. Username and password are inside of it. That's how you'll reinstall it in case you need to rebuild your computer or anything like that. If you lose this, you're kind of out of hope.
Wow, that guy had some really good advice. I think I know what I'm going to do. So, I am going to take this plastic baggie, and with my Sharpie, I'm going to write the name, Microsoft Office 2016, and then I'm going to write the date, 8/31. Oh, what's the year? Oh yeah, 2016. And then I'm going to put my copy of Microsoft Office in the bag. And I think I'm going to put this in a place where I remember it. Yeah, there's a place in my desk that I keep all of my programs. So that's where I'm going to put it. All right. Wow. That guy from W.A.C.D, he had some really good knowledge. I'm really glad he told me about this. Otherwise, if my computer crashes, which I actually don't really think it will, if it does though, I'll know exactly where to find my programs so that I can reinstall this back onto my computer. Wow.
Later.
What's happening? I can't move my mouse. And my computer now just has this strange blue screen. Oh no, it just crashed. What am I gonna do? Okay, calm down, calm down. Let's go through my checklist. All right, so I have a backup of all of my files, photos, music, so I think I'm good there. But I had Microsoft Office installed on here. Oh boy, where did I put that? Oh yeah, where I put all of my programs. In my desk. Yeah. Ah, here it is. Here it is. Yes, Microsoft Office 2016. Okay, good. 8/31/16. Perfect. Wow, I'm really glad I caught a copy of this. Oh yeah, there was a guy where I bought my Microsoft Office from. Where was he from? Oh yeah, W.A.C.D Computers. Yeah. Wow, he gave some really good advice. All right, I think I'm going to actually take it to him because I think he actually knows what he's talking about. So, whew, wow. My crisis has been averted, and I just saved $220. Wow. If only that's how it really happened. Actually, this is what happened. Okay, so it says on my computer that Microsoft Office has been successfully installed, and I went over and I made sure that it was activated with the product key associated with my Microsoft Office account. I think I'm all set. What do I want to do with this box though?
Just make sure you keep this in a safe place, folder, something that you can refer back to it. Username and password are inside of it. That's how you'll reinstall it in case you need to rebuild your computer or anything like that. If you lose this, you're kind of out of hope.
That's never going to happen. I am never going to have to reinstall this back onto my computer. Pfft. I know a great place to put this. It's called the trash. That guy knows nothing.
Later.
I think my computer just crashed. It just blue screened on me, and I can't move the mouse. Oh no. Okay, calm down, calm down. All right, let's go through our checklist. I have a backup of my data, my files, so I think I'm good there, but my programs. I got Microsoft Office on here. Where did I put that? Oh no. I put it in the trash. This is not happening. Nate, my Microsoft Office, I threw it away and it's not in here anymore. Did you take the trash out to the dumpster?
Yes. I called it to be emptied already.
Oh no. This dumpster is empty. Guys, that was the worst moment of my life. This is a new copy that I had to purchase. And this cost me a whole lot more than if I had just saved it. Learn from my mistakes. Store your Microsoft Office copy and any other programs or disks that you have in a place where you will remember them, so that if your computer crashes, you will not have to spend time searching for them, the anxiety and stress of trying to figure out where they are or having to repurchase them because you stored them in the proper place if you follow my advice. Now then, if your computer crashes for any reason whatsoever, please do not hesitate to call 574-306-4017. And your favorite computer doctor will help you getting your issues resolved so that the stress levels that you experience will be significantly lower. We do not want you to be in the ER or in the ICU. So, thank you for listening to this video, and I hope you learn from my mistakes. My name is Dr. Phil, reminding you to store your programs in a very good place so you never forget where they are. This Tuesday just got way better. Thank you.